Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. Firstly, you have to open settings, and then you have to go to the account section, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, you have to tap accept here. And now your account added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.